So on the Toro heads, you screw the nozzle into the head. On the Rainbird or the Hunter, you screw the cap on top, so the thread's on top, not in. Just make sure you get that right, and also make sure you put a filter.
Yeah, the other ones come with this already there, so that's the difference. This actually goes all the way in and then has to be changed out. And then
And make sure the lines are facing the way, the pattern of your spraying. That's the pattern. So you want it to go like that.
And that's how your replacement spray nozzles, spray head should work. Just like that, covering all the area from left to right, making sure they overlap. Another job well done by Stafford Park Drainage and Water Solutions.